There are numerous choices of fairway GPS units to browse, like Garmin, Bushnell, Play Better, Tech, GolfMate, and that's just the beginning. So how do you have any idea about which one is awesome? To assist you with finding the main 3 best fairway GPS units that address various issues, we have painstakingly explored a lot of green GPS units. So let's get started and enjoy this video. The best golf course GPS links are given in the description box. Number 1. Swami Kiss Golf GPS Rangefinder. The device is capable of displaying yardage in 2 different ways: the standard front, center and back display, or a new, more simple mode that displays yardage to the center of the green only, with front and back distances on the next screen. With more than 38,000 preloaded global course maps, the Swami Kiss Golf GPS Rangefinder provides accurate distances to the front, center, and back of the green, as well as layup and carry distances to hazards and doglegs. There are no annual subscription fees, and course map additions and updates are free of charge and easy to do. Advantages: universal micro USB charging port, water resistant, scorecard to track score, GUR, and PPR, digital scorekeeper, save round scores. Number 2. ISO Swami 6000 Handheld Golf GPS. The new and improved Swami 6000 gives you everything you need right in the palm of your hand. Quickly and easily determine distances to the front, center, and back of the green, and distances to the front and back of hazards and doglegs for over 38,000 courses worldwide with no annual fee. A large, easy-to-read display makes it simple to operate your digital scorecard. The Swami 6000 is even water-resistant and equipped with a rechargeable lithium-ion battery capable of holding a 16-hour charge. Advantages: handheld GPS, automatic functions, precise measurement, MagnaHold technology, pre-loaded with 38,000 maps, rechargeable lithium-ion battery. Number 3. GolfBuddy AIM Golf GPS Watch. The AIM W11 GPS Golf Watch provides accurate distance measurements, with a 1.3 inches TFT LCD color touchscreen that provides distance calculations to the front, center, and back of the green, and distances to targets and hazards. The watch automatically recognizes which hole you are playing and has manual pin placement, a digital scorecard, and a rechargeable lithium-ion battery which lasts up to 13 hours in golf mode. Advantages: up to 13 hours of battery life in golf mode. IPX7 waterproof. Zoom in, out function. Distances to targets and hazards. Manual pin placement. Digital scorecard.